All right, we're now at part 2.
Two.
Okay. Okay, so we have here number 7. A material is flexible if it's blank. A, can't be bent easily. B, can support heavy loads. C, cannot be stretched easily. D, cannot be scratched easily. Okay, class, we're talking about being flexible. What should be the best answer here?
A.
A.
C.
Can be bent easily. So I'll give you an example. So I have my wristwatch here. This one is made of rubber. So as you can see, I can bend it easily. Okay? All right. Can you hear me, Wais, it's okay. If you're having a problem with your internet, it's okay. Okay? Okay. Wais is trying his best, even though he has a problem with his internet connection. Okay? Okay, number 8. Who's number 8?
Me.
Okay, Helen, come on.
Which type of teeth do you use to cut food? A.
Canines? Incisors?
Molars, premolars.
All right, what's the best answer here?
B.
What's your answer, Helen? Louder, louder.
B.
B. Incisors. Okay, class. If you know where's your incisors, I think you've learned this in year, I don't know which year. The front teeth, this teeth, yeah, that's your incisors, okay? Not scissors, okay? All right, let's move on to the next page. Okay, number 8, the answer is B. Yes, it's correct. Thank you, Hiram. Number 9. Who's number 9? Is it a kid? Kid, are you there? A kid? Did I assign you number 9? Hello? Are you awake? Can you turn on your camera, please? Okay, a kid, read number 9, please.
What does a polar bear adapt itself to survive
No
in
singing.
the cold?
Okay.
A. The polar bear, the penguin. B. The polar bear has a big body. C. The polar bear has a layer of fat under its skin. D. The polar bear plays with the snow.
Okay, we're talking about the polar bear here. What's the best answer here, a kid? Okay, we're talking about your adaptation. Which one is the best for the polar bear to survive, a kid? What should be the best answer here, a kid? Remember, class, adaptation, it's more to the body of the animal. Okay. Well, what's your answer? Can you say it louder, please?
C.
C as in cat? Kid, I cannot hear you. No, I can't hear. I just hear louder ba? Is it A, apple, B, boy, C, cat, D, dog? You do like that. Come on, a kid. Okay, a kid is what?
B ka D.
Okay, kalau A, 1. Kalau what?
C.
Did he say
E.
Ya Allah. A kid, what is your answer? Louder, please. Okay, C. Okay. The polar bear has layer of fats under its skin. Jangan malas ba batya? Kalau jawapan, yung batya ba? Tarus ba? C. The polar bear has a layer of fats under its skin. Like that, ha? Jangan, I cannot hear ba? Okay. Bukan ni macam classroom. This is online class. I cannot hear you. Okay. Now, Answer is C, class. Because a polar bear has a lot of fats under its skin. Did you know, class? If you were in a survival mode, okay, the fattest person will stay alive the longest, and the thinnest person will die early.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's true. Because what happens if there's no food and water for the fat people or person, they still have fats.
Fat.
For the thin people, they don't have any more fats to consume. So yeah, that's why they're dying early. I'm not telling you guys if you're thin
Yeah.
or fat, okay? I'm not asking you to be fat, okay? I'm just telling you how does it work. Okay, we spent too much time on number 9. Okay, let's go to number 10. Who's at number 10? Who's number 10? I think Anika, right? Anika? Anika? Class, if it's like this, we cannot move on fast. Anika, are you there? Okay, Hamid, are you there? Hamid? Hamid, what number are you? I assigned 11, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, who's 10? I think it's Anika. Okay, maybe Anika is not around. Okay, let me just read number 10. Figure 2 shows the life cycle of a mung bean plant.
Mommy.
So we have P, Q, R, S. Which of the arrangements below shows the proper sequence of the mung bean plant life cycle? A, PQRS. B, PSRQ. C, RPSQ. D, RSQP. Class, if you notice, this question was asked again in 2010, right? Kamu pernah kan sudah? Yeah, you see, that's the beauty of revising. You get to okay. So what's the answer here, class? Can anyone help me?
B.
B as in bat.
A
Okay, that
as
will
in
be
PQRS.
P S R Q.
Oh, salah.
So we start with a
PSRQ.
seed P, and then S as a seedling or a small plant, and then R with a young plant, and Q as an adult plant. Are you following,
Plant.
class?
Yes.
Let's move on to number 11. Okay, can you read it loud, Hamid? Number 11.
The diagram in picture 3 shows dog being pushed. What happened to the dog? A.
Okay.
The dog becomes big. B. The dog becomes hot. C. The dog changes color. D. The dog changes shape.
Okay, what's the best answer?
D.
As in?
Dog.
Yes, now it's like that. Okay, very good. Jangan you say, oh, D as in dog, and then the dog is coming to you. You know, you're not calling the dog. Okay. All right. So of course, class, when you push the dough, it changes its shape. Okay. No other answer. D as in dog. Okay. We have a lot of dogs outside. Yeah. Number 12. Who's number 12? Who assigned number 12 to?
Not me.
Who's number 12?
Not me. Use.
I think it's Jamal.
Jamal's
Oh, so it's Fariha then. Fariha,
Priya.
can you?
Amirul ka.
Is it
Amirul.
Amirul siya.
Is Amirul here?
Bukan.
Class,
Amirul.
can you please remember your numbers?
Amirul.
Is it Fariha?
Stop
Okay.
fighting over number.
Who is number 12? Is it Amirul or Fariha?
Both.
Okay, let me
Amirul.
assign it to Amirul. Okay, Amirul, number 12, please.
Amirul dan Fariha.
Which of the following is not true why Fatima must not share her handkerchief? A. It can cause the spread of red eyes. B. It
Mm.
can cause the spread of common cold. C. It can cause food poisoning. D. It can cause the spread of skin disease.
Right. I like how you read. Very good and fast. Okay. So what's the best answer here?
C.
D as in Mirror. I couldn't really hear your answer. C as in cat.
Uh,
What?
C as in it can cause food poisoning.
Ah, okay. Now I can. Okay. C, it can cause food poisoning. Okay, class. Again, not true. Why Fatima must not share. Again, the questions are tricky. Sometimes you might think that's why not is written in capital letters and in bold. Okay, not true. So answer here is letter C as in cat. It can cause food poisoning. Okay, number 13. Kakashi.
Okay. Study the diagram in figure 4. What should saline to do make the sugar dissolve faster?
Hmm.
A. Add ice cube in the water. B. Change the smaller beaker. C. Heat the water. D. Reduce the amount of water in the beaker.
Oh, hey, wakarimashita. Okay, so we have here, what's your answer?
C.
What?
Huh?
Can you say it clearly? Class, I already teach you how to answer A as in apple, B as in bat, C as in cat. Okay, say what?
C. Heat the water.
What? I can't hear your answer. I'm
C.
sorry.
Ba. C. Ba. C.
C.
C, hit the water.
Oh.
Class, I told you
How?
I'm deaf. I have problem with my ears. You have to shout. Okay?
C.
Okay. Okay, number 13, C, heat the water. Class, so the question was you want to dissolve the sugar faster. Okay, remember if you're making your Milo, not Milo, maybe let's try tea, huh? So you have your tea or tea, and then you add sugar, and then of course you add hot water, and then when you stir it, the sugar dissolves. It becomes liquid. All
Let's
right.
go.
Okay, number 14.
Teacher, check the chat box. Yep. Chat.
Okay,
Check.
class.
Check it.
Very funny, Omar. Okay, please
Okay, continue.
Focus. Who's 14? Nada
Not me.
14?
No.
Fariha din. Kalau nada 14. 14. Come on.
Which part of the body system? The diagram in figure 5. Wait, what?
Mm-hmm. Okay, what's your answer? Okay,
D.
you have to, Fariha, you have to read the choices. Okay, please read. A, breathing system. B, okay. Read.
B. Babu.
A. Breathing system. B. Digestive system. C. Nervous system. D. Transport system.
All right. What's your answer?
D.
Okay, D as in dog. Transport system. Okay, why is it a transport system? What does it transport? What does it mean transport? It means it's transferring something. It's bringing something. What does the heart do? What is the function of heart in our body? Is it only for love? Huh? Is it only for love or what? What is the real function of heart?
To hate people.
It pumps blood to all the parts of our body.
Very good. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. That's why it's very important to have a heart.
I'm a nerd.
Okay, okay class? Okay. That's why our heart is beating. Okay, it's not because, oh, I'm in love. No, because your heart is beating because you need more oxygen. It pumps more blood into your body. That's why when you run fast, after you run, you have a pulse. Your heart is beating faster. Okay? Sometimes when you're excited or something, or maybe when you're afraid. Anyway, let's move on to the next page on page 55, number 15. Oh, Rizan, you just came in?
Yes.
Okay, welcome. What happened? Where were you?
He's here the whole time, isn't he?
No, no, no. He just came in.
Oh,
Rizan,
I thought he was here
can
the
I
whole
ask you a
time.
question?
Yes.
Dari mana? Where are you from?
Brunei.
No, 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 no. I mean, where... rumah ka? Di rumah saja. Okay, it's okay. It's okay because I think Rizan misunderstood because I said yesterday. Okay, I see you on Thursday. Tapi artinya to for English. Tapi today we have science. Okay, it's okay. Because I think Rizan that time he was very sleepy. If you remember the video, he was yawning and then I accused Amar. Okay. Yeah, if you watch the part 4.
Noted,
Yeah.
teacher.
Okay, okay. What?
My
Nah.
father calling me.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. Why is messaging? Why is it's okay? No problem. Okay, no problem. Anyway, this is recorded. Okay. Thumbs up if you can hear me. Why is?
Yeah.
Okay. Do not use the thumb of your foot, huh? Okay. Okay, let's move on. Who's 15? Nadra, right? Okay, Nadra.
Study the diagram in figure 6 carefully. A spoon is used to open the lid of a tin. Which category of simple machine is this one? Liver, milk, a unit, a plan.
Okay, class. I couldn't really hear the voice of Nadra because someone is drumming. Please do not hit your pen in. Okay, because it's someone is still hitting. I don't know who's doing that. Okay. Now, let me just read again. Study the diagram in figure 6 carefully. A spoon is used to open the lid of a tin. Which category of a simple machine is the spoon? A, lever, not lever, lever. B, a pulley. C, a wheel and axle. D, an inclined plane. What is your answer, Nadra?
A. A lever.
A lever.
A lever. Okay, what does it mean, a lever?
Left camera.
So a lever means you use something to pry something out. Okay. Okay. So for example, where can you use a lever in other things?
Uh,
What else?
um,
It's hard to give an example right now, but you know the idea. You get the idea. Okay. Okay. Who is Rudy Sahrun? Who is that?
Yatakan.
Who is that?
No.
Oh,
Rooney.
Who are
my
you?
father. My father. My father.
Oh,
Rizan
yeah.
daw.
Sorry. It's Isan. Ako takadjot, ako pikir orang lain masuk ma. Okay. Bagitaw lah. All right, 16. Amar, it's your turn.
Amar. Amar.
Wait. See
Coronavirus.
the life cycle of a mosquito in figure 7. What does X refer to?
With the
Elect-
choices.
A. Fry. B. Larva. C. Nymph. D. Tadpole.
Okay, so we have the letter X. The letter X is there. So what is that?
Larva. B.
Larva.
Okay, I have a question for you, Amar, and for everyone. What do you call the larva of a mosquito?
Nymph.
Nimpy.
Nymph.
Yep.
No,
Is it?
Wriggler. Wriggler.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Hello, so orang cakap nim, semua cakap nim. If everyone says sheep, everyone says sheep. We call that domino effect. You're not thinking. You have to think twice. You're still sleepy, huh?
Regular.
Okay, Wriggler.
Think
Okay, very
like
good.
My
I'm
So
turn.
answer is
like
letter B.
Einstein and
Okay, let's start from number 1. Okay, number 17.
To avoid passive smoking, what should Ali do when there are people smoking near him? A. He should ask for a cigarette from them. B. He should get away from them. C. He should smoke together with them. D. He should stay closer with them. And my answer is B. He
Okay.
should get away from them.
Okay, very good. So
There are
we just learned this from our previous
Ali.
topic in science. Okay, class. I know it's Ali. Okay, well you have to repeat it. Okay. You know why the book is always using Ali?
Because you're
Because
Ali.
that's the easiest name. That's the shortest name. If you notice, even in your MIB, even in your other books, they only use Ali. They never use Amar or Shafika. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so
Pernah pula.
letter B. B as in bat. Okay, he should get
Book.
away from the class. When I make exams, when I do the exam, I usually put the names of my students. That's why sometimes students they get excited. I wonder what teacher used my name for. Sometimes I make cool
Ali.
sentences,
okay.
especially for English. Okay, let's move on. Who is number 2? I think Amir. Come on, 18.
Amber.
Table 1. Which of the following plants has been classified correctly?
Okay, so you have to read everything. Flowering and non-flowering. Okay, come on. A.
A. Flowering, hibiscus, orchid, and rose. Non-flowering, fern, liverwort, and
Penny
moss.
penny.
B. Bengal tree, rose, and orchid. Non-flowering, rafflesia, yellow flame, and pine tree. C. Flowering, sunflower, orchid, and
Frangipani.
penny. Non-flowering,
Penny
moss,
penny.
bougainvillea.
Okay.
B. Flowering, liverwort, fern, and moss. Non-flowering, orchid, hibiscus, and bougainvillea.
All right. That was long, but what is the best answer here, Amir?
Salah.
Have a good guess. I know year 6 but they know the answer because it's your books is already been checked by teacher Anissa, right? You're just staying silent. Silent but deadly.
Maybe A.
It's A,
What?
B, C.
A? Did you answer A?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Thumbs up
Yay,
if
good.
My answer is
Amir
A.
is correct. Yes. Thumbs up. Okay, so
Okay.
we have flowering, hibiscus, orchid, rose. That's pretty obvious. Non-flowering, we have fern, liverwort, moss. I don't know what's a liverwort, but I know what's a moss and a fern. So basically, they look like grasses. They don't have flowers. All right.
Yeah.
Number 3. Who's number 3? Akila, that's your turn. 19. Class, let's make it a little bit fast.
Figure 8 show a skydiver jumping from an airplane. What is the force that pulls him towards the surface of the earth? A. Elastic. B. Friction. C. Gravity. D. Magnetic force.
All right. What's your answer?
C. Gravity.
All right. C. Gravity. Again, force that pulls him towards to the surface of the earth. It pulls down. Okay, why are we falling down? Why are not we falling up? Why are we not falling to the side? Can you fall to the side?
Because
Only
It's
alien do like that.
possible if you're in the outer space. Okay, you cannot fall to the side. You can only fall down, right? Imagine if you trip from the stairs in Nusa for example. Oh, you fall to the side, not down. Okay,
gugur.
Hmm.
Inalila.
Okay, thank you. Number 20. That is who's number 4? Okay, I think. Yeah.
Alice wants to measure the temperature of the following beakers in figure 9. Which beaker shows the highest temperature? A.
Mhm.
Warm water. B. Ice cube. C. Tap water. D. Hot water.
Okay. What is the best answer?
The steam.
E.
Afik, what's your answer?
B. B.
D, B, what? D, B, what? Which one?
D.
D as in what?
Didi.
Didok.
Oh,
Didok.
parang bara to si Hyrel. Dimar. Oh, Hyrel already changed his name, huh? Okay. Okay, so we have answer is hot water. Of course, class, if you put an ice, okay, which one has has the highest temperature? Of course, when the higher the temperature, the hotter the substance or the water.
The hotter
Okay.
the water is.
Okay, who's number 5? Who's number 5? Okay, Aisha, your turn. Okay, stop singing, guys. I'm going to mute. Okay, stop, Aisha, stop. I'm going to mute everyone except you.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Aisha, you can now talk.
Which one of the following graphs in figure 10 shows the change in a person's heartbeat when running? A. Of heartbeats per minute. B. Of heartbeats per minute. C or D?
Okay, so basically it's all the same. Okay, I'm going to turn on their microphones now. Class, I'm going to mute from time by time now because you're singing. You're not allowed to sing during class. Okay, we can hear everything. It's okay if your voice is good, but it sounds annoying. Okay. Okay, now, what should be the best answer here, Aisha?
A.
Okay. Answer is A. Okay, let's check why it's A. So when running, our heartbeat goes faster, right? So the graph should go up. Okay, so answer is letter A. Thank you very much, Aisha. Okay, who's number 6? Who's number 6? Hadi, is it you? Okay, please. Okay, I'm going to mute everyone and then except for Hadi. Okay, Hadi, hold on. I'll turn on your. Okay, Hadi, read, please.
Figure 11 shows Ahmad going to the toilet. Which statement should Ahmad not do to prevent the spread of infectious disease after using the toilet?
Class, I want you to look at this question carefully, because this one is tricky. Okay, read, Hadi.
A. Flush the toilet after using it. B. Wash his hands before and after going to the toilet. C. Wash his hands without flushing the toilet. D. Wipe or dry his hands after washing his hands. The answer is C. Wash his hands without flushing.
Okay, okay, let's try to understand the question. Okay, I know year 6 blue, you answered C, but let's try to check if it's really, the answer is really letter C, huh? It says here, wash his hands without flushing the toilet. Do you understand that? Because the question is, the statement Ahmad not to do to prevent the spread of virus. He should not do. You understand the question? Mastiin buat supaya hindi spread yang infectious disease. Okay. So it's either B or C. Wash his hands before and after going to the toilet. C. Wash his hands without flushing the toilet. Okay. So class, the answer here is letter C. Okay? Are you following? Okay, class, I just remind you, we have only 10 minutes. So it means we're going to have a part 3 of this class, okay? Remember, just get back in if uh, this session no turns off, okay? I think, okay, we're now at number 6. Who's number 6? Class, I cannot remember your numbers. You should be remembering. Hi, Relka. Who's number 6?
Me.
Nice. Thank you for pointing out, Aisha. Oh, so you can just point out, huh? Like that. Okay. Okay, Hannah. 23.
The 12 show diagram of a regular and a septuple. In what way are these similar?
Hmm.
A. They can fly. B. They have wings and feet and blood. C. They live in water. D. They look like their parents when they get older.
Okay, what's your answer there?
D. Dog.
Okay. Thank you, Harold. Sorry. I didn't expect that. Okay. That dog, huh? Dog. Okay. So D, they look like their parents when they get older. Is that the case? They look like their parents when they get older. Is that the correct answer? Okay. Wriggler and caterpillar. Which they look like. Okay. Class, what is the best answer here? Is it D as in dog? Okay, I'll turn on your microphones. Amar, what do you think?
What?
D as in dog.
What do you think, Amar, should be the best answer for 23? Guys, can you help me out?
D as in dog.
D, huh?
Where
D.
again?
Dart.
Number
D
23.
as in dog.
Don't look for the dog, Amar. Okay.
Dog.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So D as in dog. All right, class. Who's number 7? I think it's supposed to be wise, but I'll just read it, okay? Okay, number 24. Which of the following graphs in figure 13 correctly shows the changes in the length of a shadow cast by an object during the day? Okay, class. So we have here choices A, B, C, or D. So it's a graph again. So what is important here? We need to understand the question. Okay, which has the changes of the length of the shadow. The higher the graph goes, it means the longer. Okay. So during the daytime. Okay, so how do we measure the shadow? Coming from the sun's position, isn't it, class? If you remember your lesson in year 5 about the shadow, right? So what should be the best answer here? Anyone can help me out.
Uh,
Class, remember
I'm
at
gonna
morning
just check
time,
again.
at 7 a.m., our shadow is the longest. When it becomes 12,
B.
is it a.m. or
B.
p.m.? Okay.
D.
So
D. C. C. B.
all right.
C.
So
B.
C.
answer is
D.
letter
Whatever.
B. B as
B.
in boy.
B.
Okay.
Boy.
Yay,
Boy.
Lurus.
Okay. Okay, number 8. Who's number 8? Who's number 8?
I don't know.
Is it a kid again? A kid? Is it
Ewan
you?
ko.
Hadi ka kali.
Guys, can you please remember your numbers? I think it's a kid.
Anika, bukan nggak?
I don't know. Anika doesn't talk. Okay, a kid, is your turn.
Anika.
Number 25. Class. Okay, I'm not happy what's happening right now. We're going too slow. Can I ask everyone to turn on their cameras? Except for Maurice. Except for Maurice, because Maurice has problem with his camera accordingly. Okay, Wise, except for Wise because he has a slow internet. Fariha, can you turn on your camera, please? I want to be sure if you're there. Are you there? Can you say hello, Fariha?
No.
I'm sorry?
Hi.
Okay, good. Fariha, why are you not turning on your camera? Is there a problem? Are you using a phone or a laptop? Fariha,
Yeah.
why are you not turning on your camera? Okay, class.
Yung malu.
Pamalu
Yeah,
apa?
shy cat.
Shy.
Okay,
Shy cat.
class, again, we only have few minutes left. We have 4 minutes. I want you to call again. But the next call, I want everyone's camera on, okay?
On.
All right.
Audio.
Harel, why are you flexing? Why are you showing your muscle? Okay, guys, what number are we at now? We're at number 25 class. I want to finish this as early as possible, okay? Oh, okay. Okay, number 25. Who's number 7 or 8? I think it's Akid, huh? Okay, Akid, come on. Read number 25.
Figure 14 shows experiment to find out if plants sink in water through their roots. What happens on the water levels in both jars after 1 week?
Okay.
The water level in beaker A decreased. B. The water level in beaker B decreased. C. The water levels in both beaker and beaker B decreased. D. The water levels in both beaker and beaker B remain the same.
Okay, what's your best answer there? Number 25, Akid? I think this question was also asked in 2010. We're just repeating this question, right? If you remember. Akid, this question was already asked. You should remember what's the answer here. Okay, class. What is it asking? Okay, we're talking about the level of the water. What happens, okay, in 1 week? We have beaker A, ada plant, ada beaker B, nada plant. Okay. What does it mean decrease? Decrease, it goes down. What does it mean? Yeah, okay. Which one goes down? Beaker A or beaker B? Okay. Mana yang beaker, yang airnya kan turun. Yang beaker A ada, what is this plant in Malayo? Yang ada plant, yang beaker B yang nada plant. Mana yang airnya turun? Memang letter, beaker A lah, which is letter A. Pasal ada plant.
What
Paham ka,
is
Akid?
a plant?
Okay, so answer here is what, Akid? Akid, I just told you the answer.
Legume.
Huh?
Legume.
Okay. Okay, class, what's the answer here? Everyone? Hello?
A.
Okay, A. Very good. Letter A.
A.
Okay,
A.
Afik, it's all right if your connection is, if you have a problem, it's okay. I know we're having problems with the connection. Just try your best. Okay, let's move on. I think we only have 1 minute left. I want you to call again, okay? Okay, who's next? Who's next? Who's number 7 or 8? I lost count.
Jamal.
Hamid, what's your number, Hamid?
11.
Okay. I think it's Anika. Anika, can you please read 26? It's going to turn off the Zoom. I want you to call back, okay? Anika, can you read 26? Anika. 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 Hello. Okay. Anika, are you there? What's taking